Hello friends, welcome to PHP video tutorials series. In the previous video tutorials we understood how to connect to MySQL server in PHP, how to close or disconnect from MySQL server in PHP, how to select a database from MySQL server in PHP, how to check if a MySQL table exists in PHP. Let's do all these 4 steps and then we proceed to the next topic, guys. I launch WAMP server. I click on WAMP server. In the system tray we find WAMP server icon. I click on it. You can see our MySQL host name is localhost. MySQL, I click on MySQL console. Username is root. Password is nothing. I hit enter. Now we are in MySQL server, guys. I minimize it. Next, I go back to system tray, click on WAMP server icon, click on www directory. That opens www folder. Inside www folder we put our PHP files, right? Here I search for notepad. I select the notepad. You can see the notepad got open. Here I say less than question mark PHP question mark greater than. In this I say $connection is equal to MySQLi underscore connect. Here I say connect to localhost and username is root and password is empty. MySQLi underscore connect tries to connect to our localhost server, and we can say here if not $connection, if connection is not successful, we can display the message saying echo connection failed, and then we display the error message using MySQLi underscore connect underscore error, and then I say here br. Here I say exit. Else, if connection is successful, we say echo connection successful, and then I say here br. I'm going to save this file. I say file, save as. I save the file inside www directory with the name default.php. Both sides I put double quotations and save. I'm going to execute this PHP file. I launch Google Chrome. Here I say localhost / default.php. You can see it is telling connection successful. Our default.php file able to connect to the localhost server, guys. Next, we are going to select the database from the MySQL server. For that we use MySQLi underscore select underscore db function, right, guys? Okay, let's go to MySQL console. Here I say show databases semicolon. It displays currently available databases. I hit enter. We have 4 databases at present here: information underscore schema, MySQL, performance underscore schema, and sys. I am going to create one new database. I say create database db underscore college semicolon enter. That creates a database called db underscore college. I say here show databases semicolon enter. You see db underscore college database is created, guys. I want to work with this database, so I need to select this database in PHP. So how do we do that? Here I say $is database selected is equal to MySQLi underscore select underscore db. First parameter is the connection and the second parameter is database name db underscore college. So this function checks whether in the localhost server, that is in our MySQL server, do we have db underscore college? If it is there, it selects that. Here I say if not database is selected, we display the message echo database selection failed colon. We display the error message MySQLi underscore error. To that we pass the connection bracket close comma br, and then exit. Else we say echo database selection successful, and then I say here br. I save this. As we have db_college, we get the message database selection successful, guys. I save it, go to browser and reload. You see, database selection is successful. Next, what we do, we check whether the table with which we want to work is available in the database. First of all, I am going to create one table called tbl_login in the database. Here I say use db_college database, and if I say here show tables semicolon, there are no tables in the db_college, so let's create a table. I say here create table tbl_login. It is going to have first column id of type integer, not null, and its values should be automatically incremented. So I see here auto_increment comma enter. Next column name username of type varchar, can have max 50 characters and not null. It cannot have null values, and values should be unique. So I say here unique comma enter. Next password column of type varchar of max 50 characters, not null, comma enter. Then I say primary key column. Primary key column is id, bracket close, semicolon enter. You can see table is created, guys. If I say here show tables semicolon, it says tbl_login is available. Now we are going to check from PHP whether tbl_login is available in the selected database. And how do we do that? With the help of select one from tbl_login query, guys. So what we do here, we write a query $query query equal to, in double quotations we say select one from, we write the table name. I say here tbl_login. We want to check whether tbl login is available or not. So we are writing the table name tbl_login, guys, semicolon. Next I am going to say here $is table exists is equal to MySQLi_query. We use MySQLi_query to execute the query, guys. Here first parameter is $connection and the second parameter is query that we want to execute. Now it is going to tell whether tbl_login exists or not. We can say here if not table exists, then we can say echo table does not exist, and then we say here br exit. Else we say echo table exists, and then we say here br. Definitely we have tbl_login, so we get table exists displayed, guys. I save it, go to browser and reload. You can see table exists is displayed. In this video we understand how to insert a row or rows into MySQL table. For that we take help of insert into query, guys. So again we create a query and we say insert into tbl_login. Here we write the column names, username, password, values we are going to pass here Manju and Manju123, and then we tell to MySQLi_query to execute that query on this connection. Okay, very simple. Here I say $query query is equal to, we write the MySQL query insert into tbl_login. Here we write the column names, username and password. In that we want to add these values. First value is username, that is Manju, comma, second value is password. I say here Manju123. So this is how we write the query, guys, and we are going to execute that query. Very simple. we say here $is data inserted, and MySQLi query execute this query on the connection, and then we check whether the data is inserted or not. If not data inserted, we can say echo, simply we say here insertion failed, and we tell what is the error, right? Here I say insertion failed, colon, comma, we write this function MySQLi underscore error. To that we pass the connection variable, and then I say here br, and then I say exit semicolon. After that I say else if data is inserted, we say echo insertion successful, and then I say here br. If I save this, I come back to MySQL server and say here select star from tbl underscore login. If I hit enter, it is telling empty set. That means there are no rows in the tbl underscore login. But now what happens if I save, go to browser and reload? You see it is telling insertion successful. That means Manju and Manju123 inserted into tbl underscore login, guys. Let me show that. If I say here select star from tbl underscore login, you see Manju123 is inserted, guys. Let me go back. If I say here RAVI Ravi, and then I say here RAVI Ravi123, I save it, go to browser and reload. Again we got insertion successful. Let me go to MySQL server and say select star from tbl underscore login. You can see Ravi is also inserted, guys. I go back. If I say here RAJU Raju, and I say here RAJU Raju123, save this, go to browser and reload. Again we got insertion successful, and I come here and check whether it is inserted or not. I hit enter. You see Raju123 is inserted, guys. So this is how we insert new rows into the table using PHP, guys. Once the work is done, we must and should close the connection, guys, and we know how to close the connection or how to disconnect from MySQL server. We use MySQLi underscore close function, right, guys? So I say here $is connection closed is equal to MySQLi underscore close. To this we pass the connection variable. It is going to close the connection, right? We write here if not connection is closed. If connection is not closed, we say echo connection close failed, and we display the error message using MySQLi error function, and then I say here exit semicolon. Else we say echo connection close successful, and then I say here br. Let me change the data here. I say RAGHU Raghu, and I say RAGHU Raghu. I'm inserting one more data and then I'm closing the connection. I save it, go to browser and reload. So what we do, guys, first we make a connection, then we select the database, then we check whether the table is available or not. If table is available, we insert rows into that table, and then we close the connection, guys. So this is how we insert new rows into MySQL table. I hope you guys have clearly understood. I suggest you people to try this yourself. Okay, try it yourself, guys. If you have any doubts, please do not hesitate to ask. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.